Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Let us continue the lesson in the kingdom of fools. In our previous session we came to know that Guru secretly told to the king that the new stake was the stake of God of justice, and it has never had a criminal on it, and whoever dies on it will become or will be reborn as the king of that country, and whoever goes next will be the future minister of that country. And he also said that the Guru said that they were bored by the ascetic life and they wanted to enjoy their life in their next birth as king and minister. Hearing this, the king was thrown into deep thought. He postponed the execution and he talked to his minister that they should not leave their kingdom to someone else even in the next life. That's why they decided to go on stake themselves so that they would reborn as king and minister again. Now let's continue the lesson. So he told the executioners, we will send the criminals tonight. When the first man comes to you, put him to death first. Then do the same to the second man. Those are my orders. Don't make any mistake. Then king said to the executioners who were going to perform the act of execution, he told them to execute the man who comes to them first, and then to do the same thing for the second man, and there should not be any mistake while performing that act. Like that, king ordered to the executioners. That night, the king and his minister went secretly to the prison, released the Guru and disciple, disguised themselves as the two, and as arranged beforehand, the loyal servants were taken to the stake and promptly executed. Yes, that night the king and the minister went secretly to the prison. They released the Guru and disciple and they disguised themselves. They changed their appearance as Guru and disciple. The king and minister changed their appearance as king and minister. And as arranged beforehand, the loyal servants were taken to the stake and promptly executed. Then they were taken to the place of execution and they were promptly means quickly or without any delay, they were executed. They were killed. When the bodies were taken down to be thrown to crows and vultures, the people panicked. They saw before them the dead bodies of king and the minister. The city was in confusion. Then the bodies were taken down to be thrown to the crows and vultures. Then people saw the bodies and they were panicked. They saw before them the dead bodies of king and minister. People were panicked because they saw the dead bodies of king and the minister. The city was in confusion. Then the whole city was in confusion. They did not understand what had happened there, because they thought the Guru and disciple were executed. But at present they were seeing the dead bodies of king and the minister. All night they mourned and discussed the future of the kingdom. Whole night they mourned. Mourned means expressed their sadness over the death of king and the minister. Some people suddenly, and after that they thought about the future of kingdom. Some people suddenly thought of the Guru and the disciple and caught up with them as they were preparing to leave the town unnoticed. Then some people suddenly thought about Guru and disciple. They were about to, or they were preparing to leave the city or town unnoticed. Okay, without the notice of other, they wanted to leave the city. We people need a king and minister, said someone. Others agreed. Then people said, we people need king and the minister. The others also agreed. They begged the Guru and the disciple to be their king and their minister. Then they begged the Guru and disciple to be their king and their minister. It didn't take many arguments to persuade the disciple, but it took longer to persuade the Guru. Yes, it did not take many arguments to persuade the disciple. Persuade means to successfully convince someone to agree to do something. Yes, when they put this idea in front of disciple readily accepted that. But it took some time or some arguments to persuade the Guru. Okay, all of a sudden he did not accept that. It took some time for them to convince Guru to become the king. They finally agreed to rule the kingdom of foolish king and the silly minister on the condition that they would change all the old laws. And at last both Guru and disciple agreed to become king and minister on a condition. What was that condition? The condition was that they could change all the old laws. They were about to change all the old laws. Okay. From then on, night would again be night and day would again be day. After that, they brought change. What is that change? Night would be night and day would again be day. Earlier, night was treated as day and day was treated as night. Now again it changed into what? Night would be night and day would be day. And you could get nothing for a do. And the cost of the things was changed. Earlier for everything they had to pay a do. Now they could get nothing for a do. It became like any other place. Then that kingdom became like any other kingdom, any other place. Okay. Like this, by using their intelligence, Guru and disciple tricked those foolish king and the minister. In that way, they saved that kingdom as well as they saved their lives also. Like this, we can see only intelligent people or most wise people, they can handle the foolish people in a proper manner. Or else the foolish people can be very dangerous. So these kind of wise people are required to handle them in a proper manner. Okay, let us stop here. We shall see other things in the next session. Thank you for watching.